Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at an all-new 2020 Sea Ray 19 SPX. As you can see, this comes on a single axle trailer. Got a nice little accent color sticker on it. Sea deck on the back swim platform, a 4-step ladder. Coming inside the boat, got a nice walk through to the side. This one does have the optional sea deck snap-in flooring, which is really comfortable on the feet. Got a nice lounging chair here. This cushion here actually is stored underneath there if you don't want it there, so you can sit with your feet down. Got some storage under the back corner seat. Under here is a fully insulated cooler with a drain. This boat comes with the in-floor storage. Nice big spacious bow with Fusion audio system. Got 4 speakers in this boat and a Fusion head unit here at the helm. Got a depth finder, speedometer, everything you need over here. This boat's powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury engine. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. As always, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.